In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 900 by 10 using the long division method. See that 9 is less than 10, so we will consider the number 90. We know that 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 10, so we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So we will remove one 0. And we know that 10 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 900 divided by 10 is equal to 90. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.